You want to build your own carport, but you can't decide whether to attach it to your house or build a freestanding structure? Today, we're going to compare the pros and cons of an attached carport and a detached carport. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make an informed decision for your project. Let's get started. First, let's delve into the world of attached carports. These carports are directly connected to your house, sharing a wall or structure. One of the major advantages of attached carports is the convenience they offer. You get easy access to your vehicles, and during rainy or snowy days, you can quickly reach your car without getting drenched or slipping. An attached carport also shares structural support with your house. The connection to your house provides additional stability and support for the carport, making it a reliable and sturdy structure. Attached carports can also offer seamless integration with your home design. Since they are connected to your house, you can match the architectural style, materials, and color scheme. This cohesion can enhance the visual appeal of your property. However, it's essential to consider a few potential downsides of attached carports. Due to their attachment to your house, you may have limited flexibility in terms of placement. It's crucial to consider any zoning or building regulations that may impact the placement of an attached carport. Another aspect to consider is the potential limitation for future expansion or modifications. Since the carport is connected to your house, any alterations or expansions to your house may have implications for the attached carport. Additionally, keep in mind that you may need additional maintenance and repairs for this carport, because any maintenance or repair needs for your house may also affect the attached carport. Regular inspections and upkeep are crucial to ensure that both your house and attached carport remain in optimal condition. As you can see, it's important to carefully evaluate the limitations and potential challenges an attached carport represents in order to make an informed decision on whether this is the right choice for you. Now, let's shift our focus to the realm of detached carports. These carports are standalone structures separate from your house, offering distinct advantages and opportunity. One of the primary benefits of detached carports is the flexibility they provide in terms of placement and orientation on your property. You have the freedom to choose the best location, taking into account factors such as sunlight exposure, accessibility, and visual appeal. Detached carports also offer more opportunity for customization. At Allen's Factory Outlet, you can select your carport from a wide range of colors and finishes to complement your property's style and personal taste. Plus, the installation of your carport is free. Another advantage of detached carports is their minimal impact on your house structure. As a separate structure, any maintenance or repairs required for the carport can be carried out independently without affecting your house. However, it's important to consider a few aspects when contemplating a detached carport. First, construction costs may be slightly higher compared to attached carports, as you'll be building a separate structure. However, you can save money by getting a prefabricated detached carport, which is usually cheaper than having an attached carport built for your home. If you plan to build a detached carport in an area that doesn't already have a gravel driveway, you may want to prepare a gravel or concrete foundation. It is crucial to factor these costs into your overall budget. Another consideration is the potential walking distance from your house to the carport. This aspect becomes particularly relevant during inclement weather conditions when quick access to your car is necessary. However, you can mitigate this by strategically placing the carport in a location that minimizes the distance between your house and the carport. So now that you have the pros and cons of each option, what should you choose? When deciding between an attached or detached carport, there are three elements to consider. First, your property layout and available space. Consider the size and shape of your property and take into account factors such as ease of access, impact on sightlines, and the overall flow of your outdoor space. Second, carefully evaluate your budget. Detached carports may require expenses for foundation work, but attached carports may need expensive modifications to your house. So you should factor in the construction costs, ongoing maintenance costs, and also the cost of permits. This way, you can make the right decision for your wallet. Also, think about your future plans for expansion or modifications. Consider if you will have more vehicles in the future or any other modifications to your property. If you foresee that kind of need, a detached carport may provide more flexibility. it won't impact your house, giving you the freedom to adapt to your changing needs over time. And if you need a final point of view on your project, it's also a good idea to consult with professionals, such as architects or carport specialists. Seeking expert advice can help ensure that your decision aligns with local regulations, structural considerations, and overall feasibility. Okay, now that you have an idea of what type of carport is the best for you, you might consider building one in the near future. We put together another video that covers every last thing that you need to know and do when you're building a carport. Make sure that you don't miss out on any important steps by watching that video next. We'll see you there.